Hey guys, welcome back to my IGTV. I'm going to be doing a video that's been requested for my very first YouTube video. Yeah, very first one, multiple times it's been requested, and it's the apartment tour. So I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek at the place where I've been living for like the last year and a half. Because I leave in 10 days, probably by the time this goes up, I'll probably already be out of this place. So I just wanted to give a quick little rundown of where it is and a little insight on New York City, Williamsburg life. So let's get started.
That's good.
Okay, so when you first come in, one of the coolest parts of the apartment is it has keyless entry. So you just have a key card in my wallet. They also have a sticker you can put on your phone, and you just scan, and here we are. So when you first come in, the first thing you'll see on the left, well, other than the toilet, is my selfie wall. So I felt super creative with this. So it's moss atrium inserts I got from the local plant store, and I just bought lettuce on Amazon and put the moss inside. Everything's backwards because when I take my OOTD shots in the morning, it's a selfie. So to the left is my bathroom, but no one really wants to see that. So moving forward, we come through here and we have the living room. So we have the couch, which is from West Elm. Everything's either from West Elm or Amazon. Those are the two places I got all my furniture. And the painting is by yours truly. So I have all my pillows, my coffee table books, which I'm obsessed with. I have my Tom Ford, this Mario Testino, which I really love. My Windows, Bergdorf Goodman Windows book. I love this one. Yeah, so here's the living room. Here's the kitchen. So we have my Nespresso, which is a lifesaver. My stove. Surprisingly, I do cook, people, but the thing I cook the most is this, my popcorn maker. I make popcorn every night. So there's that. It's all Bosch appliances. Yeah, pretty much all throughout. Yeah, because the refrigerator's Bosch. I don't know how to say that. I have a dishwasher, which I actually need to empty out. My juicer, because I'm healthy. So that's the living room. Then, before we go into the bedroom, I thought I'd show you the closet space. So the closet space in here is amazing. I have this closet, which I keep all my coats in, and my rollerblades, and then some other just random crap. I have my luggage and some blankets for when people come over. Oh yeah, also the couch is a pull-out, so it's a queen size pull-out. So whenever people come over, I have them stay on that. This is washer dryer in unit. Ooh. So yeah, so I have my washing machine, my dryer. This come in handy. Moving on, we have the bedroom. So this is my bedroom. It's pretty simple. I actually spent most of the time decorating the living room, not the bedroom. So I just have my bed, my 2 nightstands, my desk, which I didn't actually really even use until maybe a month ago. There's been so much crap on it. It's a little bit emptier than normal because I'm in the process of moving. So I'm kind of starting to organize. It's also cleaner than normal too. Usually it's a disaster in here. Up here we have some of my bags, clothing rack, my circle light for all that #content. And what else is interesting in here? Nothing really. Oh, here we go. So one of the best parts of this apartment is definitely the closets. So both the closets came whatever this is called, assembled with all the stuff, which makes it so good for storage. And I have a lot of crap, so I have some more bags, my little hugging monkeys that my grandma gave me. It's me and her. I have like boxes because I'm a weirdo that like likes to keep all their clothing, like luxury item boxes, so I keep all those. There's my grandma again. Hi, Grammy. Some other like my sunglasses I keep in here, some jewelry. What else? All my shoes. Not as organized as they should be, but they're a little bit more organized on this side. We have some of like my most used white shoes, some tennis shoes, boots on the top, Chelsea boots right there. Some more boxes because I keep everything. Yeah, it's not really that organized, but for me, this is actually pretty amazing. Other than all like my suiting over here. So like my dress shirts, still haven't taken this out of the dry cleaning container. And then there's some more suits in there. Yeah, that's pretty. Oh, we're not done. We're not done, people. We're not done. So, and really the piece de resistance of the whole apartment is, well, for one, the fact that I can see all my neighbors. Hi, neighbors. It's actually really fun to just kind of like watch people. I'm kind of a creep. But the real piece de resistance is my balcony, which you've definitely seen like all my good morning posts. So you have an amazing view of the Williamsburg Bridge, the Freedom Tower, Domino Park right there, and then to the back we just have a view of more of Brooklyn. But yeah, it's a pretty big space. I still never got patio furniture, so that was kind of a missed opportunity, but it's just nice to have like kind of an outdoor space while you're here. You can see like in your apartment, you don't have to like, go outside. So that's been real nice. This is where I've been living, me, myself, and I. So I hope you guys enjoyed my long-awaited apartment tour, and I will keep you updated on where I'm next. Right now, I don't really know where I'm going. I'm gonna be staying on my boyfriend's couch for a little bit, but in the next place, we'll do another apartment tour maybe before I'm leaving. So I'll see you guys on the next IGTV. Otherwise, make sure to follow me if you're not already, and follow my YouTube channel, okay? I'll like put all my stuff here because I usually do my videos there, but I just couldn't be bothered to take out the camera. Okay, peace.